This is a Hilook Wi-Fi kit. It has all you need for a basic security system. It has 4 Wi-Fi cameras, 1 Wi-Fi NVR, and 4 power adapters, 1 HDMI cable. To make the system work, you need to install the camera antenna first and power on the camera. Then set up the NVR antenna, connect the NVR to the monitor, and then power them on. Now, you need to activate the NVR. First, set your password. Second, set your unlock pattern. Finally, set your language and wait for the connection to be done. If the light is blue here, it means the camera is connected. Now you can see the live view on the monitor. Without messy, tangled cables, the Wi-Fi kit can be an ideal choice for indoor security in places such as cafes, offices, retail stores, and homes for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.